Hello everyone, welcome to Shiny Morning. After few days, sun is shining. And how have you been? Hope that all of you doing well and having a really good time. So today video is very effective, but at the beginning I want to say one thing. I am not an English teacher, even I haven't hold my graduation in English, but I have a passion this language. That's why I share my experience. So without delay, let's dive into the video. And today I want to talk about how to use my proficiency. So every person have own proficiency, even every person is born with proficiency, but they don't know how to use their proficiency. Every person has skill technique, but we don't know how to use our proficiency, even skill. When you do something at the beginning, you will stumble and it will detain you, but you have to be persistency. Your persistency help you to reach your goal. So if you want to utilize your proficiency at first to learning this language, at first you have to be persistent and you have to be patient. When you patient in this language, then you can improve your speaking English, even how to use your proficiency. So every person have own proficiency, but they don't know how to use their proficiency. At first you have to incorporate yourself to learning this language. If you want to use your proficiency, so why you want to learn this language. So if you have proficiency, if you want to get a better job, then English is very important, you know that. But you have a skill, but how can you utilize your skill? So if you want to improve your skill, your technique, then your proficiency is very important. So sometimes we think that have you ever been thought English is very important for you? Yes, English is very important for you. You just utilize your proficiency. At first, mitigate your unnecessary work. So if you want to utilize your proficiency, then at first mitigate your unnecessary work, like you are scrolling Facebook and watching reels video. Lot of time you are wasting, but you don't know how I use my. Have you ever been thought our brain is like a memory? So at first, if you done so far, you just vacant your memory and install some folder regarding English and upgrade yourself. You just utilize your proficiency you have done so far, but currently you just install some folder regarding English. Yes, and if you ask yourself why I am learn this language, because I want to improve my lifestyle, I want to get a better job in future, any multinational company, then English is very essential for me. So you just mitigate your unnecessary work, then incorporate yourself to learning this language and engross your determination to learn this language. When you have determined, then you can improve, immerse your determination. It is very important. You just utilize your proficiency. Every person have own skill, but you have to utilize your skill to learn this language. And when you mitigate your unnecessary work, you are live monotonous lives last few months. So when you live monotonous life last few months, you will be mysterious, and your mysterious will be increase your proficiency. And in this way, you just use your proficiency to learn this language. And if you think that I have don't experience, so I don't know grammar, I have no vocabulary, then you just utilize your proficiency. Every person have own proficiency, own skill, but you have to utilize it, and you have to mitigate your unnecessary work last few months, then you can improve. So every person we are think that, and even ask yourself why I am learn this language, because I want to get a better job. And when you incorporate yourself to learn this language, then it will be very easy for you, and you immerse your determination to learn this language. And remember that every expert was a beginner. So you think that you are a beginner, you want to utilize your proficiency and hope that one day you will be improve your speaking English. So today end here, see you on next video. Tata, bye.